I want to be a voice for the peoples of South Dakota, promoting the safety, the benefits, the good of what cannabis can bring to the peoples in the community. When we started this venture, we decided to partner with Unity Road, really just based on our experience already coming from a franchise world with Verizon Wireless, T-Mobile, and of course my partner's experience with 27 Technology. The value for us partnering with Unity Road is really obtaining the playbook. That starts from day one, from designing the physical structure, to forming relationships with the cultivators in the state, to designing the interior, the customer flow, our technology, training, etc. The way that I view this, partnering with Unity Road as our consulting franchise group, really gave us the playbook, the head start, which entitled us or allowed us to be the first medical dispensary in the state. Without Unity Road's support, I'm doubtful that we could have earned that #1 plaque on the door.